Okay, in this tutorial we're going to look at managing page content, and that's how we can update text, images, gallery images, etc. So when I refer to pages, let's just have a look at the front end of the website. These are the web pages, so we've got home, price list, kitty locks, hair loss, etc. So if we go back to the administration system, then from the left-hand menu we're looking for the pages option, and then all pages. And that brings us up a list of the pages we have on the website, which corresponds to what we have on the public side. So there's what we just seen, all of these web pages. Now I'm going to scroll down a little bit and just want to draw your attention to these last 5 pages. My account, cart, shop, checkout, staff resources. Those are system pages and you cannot make changes to those. So just those need to be ignored and don't try and make any changes to them. Everything else from returns policy upwards, all of those can be changed. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to have a look at the About Us page, and we also have it open over here in the front end. And so again, we hover over the title of the page and then we can select Edit. And that brings us up the About page. And we can see here it's divided into a number of sections, and in this case we have 6 different sections, all of which correspond to what we can see on the page on the public side of the website. So the first section is text and main image, which is this here. The second section is banner images and gallery, which if we scroll down, this is the banner image, this is the gallery, and this is another banner image. Banner images we generally refer to as images that are full width. They fill the whole width of the screen size. If we go back over, and then we can see we've got products, and we have a different version for desktop and mobile, and we also have Facebook reviews. So if we go back over, we can see here are the products from the shop, and here are the Facebook reviews. Now we also have a section separator, which is just a graphic we use. So in this instance there's nothing you can change in the last 4. Don't try and make any changes to those. It's the first 2 that you can make changes. So we're going to have a look first at the text and main image. So if we go over to the right hand side and let's open that, and that shows us what's in there. So we can see we have a title, we have an image here on the left, and we have the text here on the right. And we can see the title is full width and the image is half width and the text is half width. So you can kind of see the structure there. We have the title going across the top, and then we have 2 columns, one with an image and one with the text. And if we want to edit any of these sections, then it's the little pen symbol we click on. So let's say I'll scroll back up here. Let's say we've seen a typo somewhere here. We want to fix that. So we'll go over here, we'll click the little pen icon, and then we need to, because the text here is white, we can't actually see it, so let's go over into text mode. And if you're in visual mode here and you can't see the text, that means it's in white. So the best thing to do is just switch over to text modes so you can see it. And here we have all the text, so you can go in here and make any changes. Now be careful not to disturb these codes that are here. So when you're making changes, just be careful you don't upset any of those, but you can change any of the text there in between. You can add in a new sentence, change a word, or if you want to add a new paragraph, what I would recommend then is you just simply copy, and then I won't actually do this, but then you would just paste in your new paragraph, and then over time replace the words with whatever you want. When you're happy enough you've done your changes, just click Save, and then You can do an update. There might be an update button down the bottom here, bottom right, or there's one up here. You can just click on that, and then the page, your changes will be updated. Any changes you make they'll be visible immediately. There's no kind of waiting period or kind of buffer time. They'll be published straight away. Now it'll take a couple of seconds just to save everything out. Now for example, if you wanted to change this image, then again it's just clicking on the pen symbol, and then you can remove it. And then once it's, I won't remove this now, but once it's removed, then it'll give you the option to upload a new picture, which you'll have obviously ready to go. So again, when you're finished, when you've uploaded the new picture, just click save, and again, remember to do an update. Now, and that if we scroll down a bit further, we can see we've got some more text down here. And we can see now here our next section is banner images and gallery. So we'll click that to open it out, and there we can see there's our first kind of banner image or full width image there. Here's the gallery, and there's our bottom Kitty Locks image. And we've also got a button down here, a contact us button. So if we want to change images in the gallery, we would just, again, if you want to change something, click on the pencil icon, and we can see here we've got 12 images in the About Us gallery, and you can, if you want to remove any of them, obviously the little bin symbol here on the right, and if you want to upload other ones, you can this is a bulk load image upload, so you can upload more than one at a time. So again, what we recommend here is that the number of images in the gallery should be a multiple of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So if you wanted to add some more images to this gallery, then we would say add another 4 or 8, whatever, but just it'll make for a better, so if we go back over to the customer side, if we keep them in blocks of 4, it'll make for a better viewing experience for the customer. And again, once you've deleted images, uploaded new ones, etc., make sure you click save in here and then do an update to finish your changes. And pretty much all pages follow the same structure. They've all got the sections which are labeled, so it should be relatively easy to find the section you want to change. And then, typically it'll be things you'll be changing will be either text, an image, or gallery images. So that's a brief overview on how to manage web pages.